Okay, year 5. So on to the maths lesson. Today is an extra practice of matching equivalent fractions, decimals and percentages. So very similar to the lesson you did on Tuesday. Okay, it's in 3 parts. Part 1 is you clicking on the link which will take you to an Enrich website. Okay, and this is the screen you will see to start with. And it's a little game for you to play, which is quite nice. A little bit of fun to start you off. I'm going to show you the first part of the game. You will then obviously go off, see how far you can get with the game. It's a matching pairs game. Okay, so if you scroll down, this is the screen that you will get for the actual game. Okay, and the idea is you literally click on the pairs. Okay, so if I start, for example, with this one, we've got 0.5. I wonder if any of you can spot the matching fraction, decimal or percentage. There it is, 1/2. So you put them together and they go green because they are matching. Okay, see if you can spot any others. I'll give you a second just to find one. Okay, I'm going to do another one here. I hope you recognise that 25% is the same as a quarter. Okay. We can also do, if we look at this one here, we've got 1 out of 10. Okay, which I hope you will recognise is 1/10 or 10%. Okay, it doesn't matter if you get any wrong. All right, you can just keep going. Let's find another one. 9/10 is 0.9. Okay, 80% is 0.8. Down to some slightly harder ones now. Okay, if we look here, now we've only got 5, we've got 2/5. I hope you can all remember what to do here. 2/5 we need to turn into tenths. Okay, so 2/5 is 4/10. Okay, so can anyone see one that can match to 4/10? Slightly more difficult. Did any of you spot it? It's this one here. 2/5, double the top, double the bottom, 4/10. That was a tricky one, that one. Okay, let's look at this one here because we have got 3/5. Double the top, double the bottom, that will become 6/10. And you can see that that one matches there. Now, these are the last ones that we're left with, so obviously they match. Okay, if we look here, I wonder why this is split into 4 and not 5. Does anybody know? It's because if we look at 0.75, I hope you recognise straight away that's 3/4. Okay, and this here is your 3/4. Okay, so a little bit of fun, little bit of practice in a fun way. Okay, now obviously you can just play again and keep going. You can scroll down and you can play the game in different ways. And there are 5 different levels as well. So you can choose your level. You can play it, I've just played the game face up. Okay, but you can play it as like a pairs game as well, remembering where the pair would be. But I think at this stage, that's probably a bit too difficult. Okay, it's better face up so that you can actually see what you're matching so that you actually get to practice. Okay, so part 1 of your lesson is clicking on the link and playing this game just a few times. Part 2 of your lesson is to complete the worksheet. Okay, which there are about 4 questions, again just practicing which ones are equivalent fractions, decimals and percentages. Okay, then part 3 is your hot task because this is the end of your fractions unit. Okay, equivalent fractions unit should I say. So 3 parts. First part is click on the link and play the game. Second part, complete the worksheet. Third part, do the hot task, please. Okay, I will make them all editable so that you can then hand them in, submit them. Fingers crossed we'll be getting lots of full marks for your hot task because you've all done so well with these lessons. Okay, right, good luck with that then, guys. Off you go.